Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and preventing lockouts. Back up to Google Drive or Samsung Cloud so you can restore later. Once done, confirm photos and contacts copied. Make sure battery is above 50% or plug in. A drained phone can fail mid-reset. Next, sign out or remember Google and Samsung account credentials to avoid factory reset protection. Once ready, open Settings. Search Reset and tap Factory Data Reset to start the process now. Don't delay. You now perform the reset itself. Go to Settings, General Management, then Reset and choose Factory Data Reset. Review the itemized list so you know what will be removed, accounts, apps, and media will go. Tap Reset or Delete All, then confirm with your PIN or password. If your device uses encryption or has a large internal storage, expect extra time. Make sure it stays connected to power. Once the process finishes, the phone will reboot into setup mode. You complete setup by connecting to Wi-Fi, signing into your Google and Samsung accounts, then restoring the backup you made earlier. This is how apps, contacts, and settings return. Make sure you enter the original Google account if factory reset protection prompts. That's the key to unlock. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop, power off and use recovery mode to wipe cache partition or repeat the factory reset. Doing so often resolves residual software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.